Welcome back, everyone. So far, we've covered the essential steps for building a thriving online business and explored effective monetization strategies. Now it's time to delve deeper into some advanced techniques that can help you take your online success to the next level. Think of it as fine-tuning your online engine, optimizing your website, maximizing your reach, and ultimately converting more visitors into paying customers. So, buckle up and get ready to learn some powerful tactics for online growth. Advanced techniques to supercharge your online business. Let's start with search engine optimization, or SEO for short. This is the art and science of optimizing your website to rank higher in search results for relevant keywords. The higher your ranking, the more organic traffic you'll attract, and that translates into more potential customers. We won't delve into the nitty-gritty details today, but we'll explore some key elements of SEO, such as keyword research, on-page optimization, and backlink building. Here's a quick overview. Keyword research. Identify the keywords your target audience is searching for and incorporate them strategically throughout your website. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can help you discover high-volume, low-competition keywords that can drive targeted traffic. On-page optimization. Optimize your website content, title tags, meta descriptions, and images to improve search engine visibility. Ensure your content is well-written, informative, and engaging for human readers, while also incorporating relevant keywords naturally. Backlink building. Acquire high-quality backlinks from other reputable websites, which signals to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Guest blogging on relevant websites and creating link-worthy content are effective strategies for attracting backlinks. Another powerful tool is email marketing. Building an email list allows you to foster relationships with your audience, nurture leads, and ultimately convert them into paying customers. By crafting engaging email campaigns, you can share valuable content, promote your products or services, and build a loyal following. Data and analytics. But how do you know what's working and what's not? That's where data and analytics come in. Tracking key metrics like website traffic, conversion rates, and customer behavior allows you to gain valuable insights into your audience and optimize your efforts accordingly. Analytics tools like Google Analytics provide a wealth of data to help you understand your audience and refine your strategies. By analyzing data, you can identify your strengths and weaknesses, refine your marketing strategies, and ensure you're on the right track for long-term success. Sales funnels. Finally, let's talk about sales funnels. Imagine a system that gently guides potential customers through a journey, ultimately leading them to a sale. A well-crafted sales funnel can significantly improve your conversion rates and turn website visitors into paying customers. There are many different sales funnel structures, but the basic principle is to provide value at each stage, build trust with your audience, and ultimately present a compelling offer that they can't refuse. This might involve offering free lead magnets, educational content, or introductory trials to entice potential customers and nurture them into paying subscribers or buyers. By mastering these advanced techniques, you can significantly boost your online presence, attract more leads, and ultimately achieve your online business goals. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, so be patient, keep learning, and continuously strive to improve your online strategies. In the next video, we'll shift gears and focus on building a long-term, sustainable online business. We'll explore strategies for scaling your operations, managing growth effectively, and future-proofing your online empire. We'll also discuss the importance of building a strong brand identity and fostering a loyal community around your business. So stay tuned for valuable insights on building a thriving online venture that stands the test of time. Don't forget to subscribe to Life Unveiled for more valuable insights and strategies to fuel your online business journey. Hit that like button to show us some love, and share this video with anyone who might be interested in exploring the exciting world of online business.